Please subscribe for more videos.
Hello friends! Here we have some colourful letters. This makes up the alphabet. The alphabet is made up of 26 letters. What a jumble! All the colours are mixed up. I have some colourful bowls. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple. Here's my little pointer. Let's sing the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Maybe we can help sort all the colours into the correct bowl. Can we do it together? Let's start with purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple sheep. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! There are 20 numbers. Now let's find yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yellow lions. Let's read a story together. Pets. Dog. This is the little dog, eating some cake from the little girl. Cat. This is the little cat, having fun playing in the toys. Rabbit. This is the rabbit. The rabbit is black and white. Guinea pig. This is the little guinea pig playing with its dad. Guinea pigs love to eat carrots. Goldfish. This is the goldfish swimming round and round in its tank. Put it back. Let's find all the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red rhinos. Let's find orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orange horses. Let's read family. Family. Baby. This is the baby. The baby is crying. Mum. This is the mum. She sat down on her chair. Dad. Dad is changing the baby's nappy. Sister. The sister is holding the baby. Brother. The little brother is reading stories with the big brother. Time to find green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green elephants. Last but not least, blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue cows.
Please subscribe for more videos.